11-year-old boy Jones in Rio Cobre River. Hi again and welcome. This is Links007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come.
Welcome to Links007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links007 TV News Report.
Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links007 TV News Report. The body of an 11-year-old boy was retrieved from a section of the Rio Cobre River in Bogwalk, St. Catherine on Wednesday. The boy is suspected to have drowned in the river the previous day. The deceased has been identified as O'Brien Gooden, otherwise called Dante, of Shanton District in Bogwalk, St. Catherine. Reports from the police are that at around 4:20 p.m. on Tuesday, O'Brien was among a group of children swimming in the river when he got into difficulty and reportedly drowned. The police were alerted and a search carried out, but it was not until around 10:45 the next day that the body was found and retrieved from the river. The Bogwalk police are probing the incident. This has been Links007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.